and welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa and I make all different type of lifestyle videos. Today's video is going to be a last minute holiday gift guide. So we are about like 10 days away from Christmas now, and if you're anything like me, you still have some last minute shopping to do. So I'm gonna share with you some last minute gift ideas I have. Many of these items you can purchase on Amazon, which is perfect with 2-day shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I feel like a lot of these items are actually also perfect for stocking stuffers if you just want a bunch of little items as well. And also I will be sure to link everything down below in the description box as usual. But the very first item I have is satin or silk hair ties. So these are great because they are just a lot softer than your average hair tie. They prevent hair breakage and it's just a lot more gentle on the hair. So the pack I have here, this one is satin and it comes with 5 scrunchies. So again, this would be perfect if you're looking to, I mean, you could obviously gift this to one person, but if you're looking for stocking stuffers or a bunch of gifts for friends, this comes in a set of 5, so that would be perfect. The second gift idea I have is a set of reusable straws, and I know you guys love reusable straws because every time I include a set in my giveaways, that's one of your guys' favorite items. So I got mine on Amazon and I got glass straws. I just like these better than silicone. And since they're clear, I think it's just easier to see if they're clean. But this set, I believe, comes with like 5 straws, something like that. It comes with a case and then also a couple of straw cleaners. So I will be sure to link this down below. But I feel like this is perfect for basically anyone, you know, who likes using straws. This is just a much more eco-friendly alternative to plastic straws. And I think it makes a really nice gift idea. So the next gift idea I have for you guys is a set of headbands specifically for masks. So I don't know about you guys, but when I have a mask wrapped around my ears for a long period of time, it always gives me a headache and my ears are like in excruciating pain. So I purchased a pack of headbands, and what they have on each side of them is buttons here. So you just put the headband on and they come with really cute designs. I'll be sure to link this one down below. It comes with 12 for like $10 or something crazy like that. And it has a button on each side here, so you hook the mask on here instead, and then it still very tightly wraps around your face. And now I don't get headaches anymore. So I will be sure to link those down below. Like I said, it comes with many, so again, this would be perfect to gift to a bunch of people. And they have really pretty designs. Next up, I have my favorite set of fuzzy slippers. I love these slippers. I wear them all day, every day. And I just feel like you can never go wrong with fuzzy slippers or fuzzy socks instead. What I love about these ones is that they are open-toed, they're super soft and comfortable, and they come in a pretty big variety of colors. The next gift idea I have is a shower speaker. So I always like listening to music in the shower, but I hate reaching for my phone when my hands are wet. So this is super convenient because you can control the volume, you can change songs, you can even take phone calls on this, and it is super simple to use. It connects via Bluetooth, and you can also just suction it onto the wall in your shower. And this is something I get a lot of use out of, and I think it's very affordable, so I'll be sure to link it down below. Next up, I would recommend gifting someone a Yeti or something similar to a Yeti. I really like having an insulated mug like this, or insulated tumbler, whatever you want to call it. This one is 30 ounces and it really does a great job of keeping your drinks super cold or super hot pretty much all day. One time I had ice cubes in here and literally the next day the ice cubes were still in my cup. So it works really, really well, and I just like using this better than using plastic bottles. So again, it's eco-friendly, and I think it's just healthier to drink out of this rather than plastic bottles. I think I've gifted 3 people Yetis now, and all of them really, really love it and would also highly recommend it. My next idea is a seasonal candle, and this one here, I'm not even joking. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw this. I just got this candle like a week ago, and I'm already halfway through the jar. This is by Yankee Candle. I think they have the best candles, and this one is in the scent Christmas Cookie. And I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. I'm actually really, really picky about candles, and I don't like when candles smell super artificial or super sweet, but this one actually smells really, really good, and it actually smells like Christmas cookies. So I've been burning this pretty much 24/7. And if you know somebody who really enjoys candles, I'd highly recommend checking out this scent. This was a bestseller on Amazon. So my next gift idea is for anyone you know who loves hot sauce or spicy foods, and that is a hot sauce gift set sampler. So it's pretty much a kit that comes with a bunch of different flavors of hot sauce to kind of just sample. And I've actually gifted somebody this in the past, and it was a big hit. A lot of people ended up really liking it, and I feel like it's especially a good gift idea for guys, just because I feel like guys do like getting food type of gifts, and a lot of guys do enjoy hot sauce. So I feel like having a sampler kit is a really great idea. This is just the hot sauce I have in my house right now, so that's why I'm using this as a prop. I noticed a lot of the hot sauce samplers are selling out really quickly on Amazon, so I'll try to find some that are in stock and link them down below. My next gift idea for you guys is a heated blanket. I just feel like heated blankets are super cozy and super comforting, and my friend actually got me this as a Christmas gift 2 years ago now, and I use it all the time and I love it. I just feel like a heated blanket is something you like don't really realize you need until you get one. So I'm definitely glad I was gifted it, and I think it makes a really great gift idea. My next gift ideas are either hair masks or eye masks. And these eye masks are by the brand Black. They're hyaluronic acid, and I have been loving these. You guys know I've been using these recently if you watch my videos. These ones are super hydrating and leave your eyes feeling a lot more plump. And the hair masks, I have this one here by Aussie. This is more of an affordable drugstore hair mask. It's only $3. Or this one here is a little bit more of a luxury, I cannot speak, more of a luxury high-end hair mask by Olaplex. They're both really, really great options, and I'll be sure to link them down below. But I feel like these can make either really good stocking stuffers or just little gifts as well. The eye masks come with 5 pairs, so again, it would be perfect if you're looking to divide up little gifts for your friends as well. So the next gift idea is actually something I asked for Christmas myself this year, and that is a workout set. So it comes with leggings and a sports bra, and I guess I can't really show you it or talk about the quality, but I'll go ahead and link it down below. And it just looks super cute, and I feel like getting new workout clothes is just kind of something that like motivates people to want to work out more, and I feel like a lot of people are going to want to start working out more with the new year coming around, with New Year's resolutions and all of that. I only have a couple more gift ideas left, but this one, you guys know I always have to include this, and that is the Tula Starter Kit. So Tula products are the only skincare products I use. The starter kit that I'm talking about comes with a cleanser, the toner, the brightening serum, and then a moisturizer. And I highly, highly recommend these products. The starter kit comes with little mini travel size products, so you can test them out, see what you think, and then obviously buy the full size products. So I actually bought the starter kit for my sister, and I told all of my friends about Tula, and now they're asking for the starter kits for gifts for Christmas. And just, I feel like a lot of people have been enjoying the products. I saw a huge difference in my skin, and I highly recommend the starter kit for anyone you know who's a skin junkie or somebody who's been trying to clear their skin. And finally, the last gift idea I have for this video is a white noise machine. So white noise machines are something I'm fairly new to, that I've just gotten since moving to this apartment here. White noise machines can be really soothing and relaxing, especially if somebody's having a hard time sleeping at night, but also it's really great for trying to drown out the sound of neighbors in your apartment complex and stuff like that. This one is really great. It comes with a built-in nightlight. It has a bunch of different great sounds, and it's super easy to use, and also I really like the aesthetic of it. Super small, compact, and it just matches my room really well. So if you know anyone who's been feeling a little bit anxious, stressed out, or has insomnia, like having difficulty sleeping, I would definitely recommend gifting them something like a white noise machine, which can be really calming and relaxing. Alright guys, so those are all of the gift ideas I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it to be helpful. If so, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, if you aren't already, be sure to go follow me on Instagram. And also, if you're looking for more gift ideas, I do have another gift guide video that I recently posted. I'll be sure to leave it linked somewhere on the screen here. And in that video, I kind of come up with a lot more ideas and also kind of like gift set themes. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!